السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما. Hello everyone, this is the Liquidity Club by Ahmed Shawi. Today is Sunday, the 9th of March 2025. I'll be doing the weekly market review. I'll try to keep it short and quick and pretty much to the point. Starting with the XY, here we have the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, price has traded down lower, attacking the sell side liquidity and was close to reach to the sell side liquidity. So we have pretty equal lows here. We're still looking for lower prices here. Price might retrace a little bit before pushing down lower into the sell side liquidity and the favor gap that's residing right there. We have a small favor gap here as well. If you want to look at it, I didn't want to draw it. Keep the charts clean. Going to the daily time frame chart, you can see how price traded up higher, took out the buy side liquidity as means of a turtle soup, and then trade down lower. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, no, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So pretty much all 5 days we've been seeing lower prices. Actually, I traded USD and Pound USD on Monday. I might do a trade review later on, but I did take some trades long on USD and Pound USD on Monday. I booked about 5 hour, so it was a good trade, regardless. So yeah, we took this inside because we have a favorite gap here, pockets of favorite gaps here, SIBIs, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Price might trace into it before trading no lower into the sell side liquidity. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this week. That's gonna be pretty much it for DXY. Going to Euro USD. Here I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, one up close candle right there, reaching, taking the buy side liquidity, reaching and trading above and closing above that favorite gap. Was close to that buy side liquidity, but we didn't reach towards it yet. We have this buy side liquidity and this here, this relative equal highs right there. This is what I'm aiming for right there. Going to the daily time frame chart, as I mentioned, we have a pockets of bases, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. The price wants to retrace into internal range liquidity before trading up higher into the buy side liquidity. So that's gonna be pretty much it for Euro USD, or also known as the fiber. Going to Pound USD, also known as the cable. Here I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. As you can see, Pound USD is running up higher. I mean, now we're pretty much entering the state of bullish prices. I'm looking for higher prices. Looking at this buy side liquidity, this is what I'm looking at next. I want to see price trade towards it. Going to the daily time frame chart, as I mentioned, we have pockets of price bases, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, so it's inefficient with sell side delivery. We might see some retracements before running up higher into the buy side liquidity. So that's going to be pretty much it for Pound USD, or also known as the cable. Going to ES. Actually, I'm not going to be going in depth about ES because I don't trade it anymore. Um, this is the continuous contract, and I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. You can see price swept the buy side liquidity and started trading down lower. Trading below this low, this is a market structure shift or break of market structure, whatever you want to call it. Some people call it change of character, whatever you want to call it, whatever makes you sleep at night. We traded, took out the sell side liquidity right there. Next is gonna be this favorite gap, and we have the sell side liquidity right there. So that's gonna be pretty much it for ES. Going to NQ, here I'm viewing the continuous contract and I'm viewing the weekly time frame chart. NQ didn't reach towards this high, so this high is still intact, which means we have an SMT, and price broke below this low. So this is a break of market structure or market structure shift or change of character to the downside. We have a favorite gap here. I would want to see price trade up higher into the favorite gap and then jam down lower and start like an actual sell program to the downside. But we did take out both of these sell side liquidity right there. We still have this favorite gap. We traded to the midpoint of that favorite gap, that BC, but we didn't continue trading it up. Once we touched it, it pretty much had some reaction and it retraced up higher here. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this weekly review. I really hope you found this one insightful. Until I talk to you next time, be safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.